Today the topic is the use of drones in infrastructure building or for defense forces. So I will be covering the topic in various subparts, types of drones, what all kind of use, which are the challenges, and finally some recommendation. So start with the topic. First I will introduce you about the drones. So gentlemen, drones are also known as UAV, that is unarmed aerial vehicles, and they are recently inducted for infrastructure construction planning of the industries. The numerous use are, for example, in MES we can have roads, then runways, bridges, high mast lightings, infrastructure building, ammunition infrastructure, as well as underground infrastructure. Monitoring of security and emergency services related to MES, site inspection, also for planning and survey of AMWPs, and roof inspection of various projects where our MES is giving the support. Nationally and internationally, the drones are now getting popular in the use of infrastructure building. So some of the features of drones are, they are invaluable help in the cost saving, provides views of inaccessible and tough areas, best access with the overhead protection and 360 degrees panoramic view. It allows 3D scanning of construction site to be used. Also, it offers high level of automation, stores large quantity of data quickly. They are equipped with cameras, GPS, thermal sensors and infrared sensors. Now gentlemen, something about the types of drones which are used in the construction technology. First is the fixed wing drones and rotary drones. A word about fixed wing drones, it is like airplane, it reaches higher altitude, efficient for pre-construction process, example mapping and survey. Fly forward doesn't work well in obstacle ridden areas, that is the only disadvantage with the fixed wing drones. Now coming about rotary drones, it is a rotor type design. It remains stable and has a capability to hover at a place. It can be easily controlled, used for preparation of surveys. It can used as a scanners, surveillance or other short distances applications. Topographic mapping and land surveys, essential in planning complex and large scale projects, cuts down on large time spent on visualizing sites topography, used to construct 3D models. It can also be gentlemen used for equipment tracking, like to locate all the working equipments in the remote places, or we have in the Navy we have huge jetties and yards. So the places where it is not easy to track the faults oblique the execution of equipment, this can be used. Can record equipment malfunction and assist in repair via visual aid. Remote monitoring and progress reports, produce impressive aerial views and give clients a grasp of project progress when physically absent. It improves internal collaboration in terms of sharing data. In the fields of personal safety, gentlemen, it ensures the safety of the workers. We have high rises buildings where these drones can be utilized for giving a proper infrastructure for the individuals and laborers to climb up, mitigate risk at construction site, structure inspection and photography. It happens that there are overhead tanks and some high rise buildings, so they can also be used for checking the stability and take high resolution images for analysis. It can assisted by the myriad sensors used to plan maintenance of large bridges, towers, roofs and scaffoldings. During the security, these can be used for the surveillance as deterrence against the theft and also prevent unauthorized individuals on the site. Coming to the use of drones in the various stages of the MES, first is the planning stage. It can be used for preparation of AEs, prepare 3D models for external electrification, water supply, site plan and layout. It can also be used for location of STPs. It can give us the gradient and lay of the ground in a very easy and user comfortable manner. Executive stage, it can ensure the safety of the workers, monitor complex sites with efficiency, helps to communicate data with the execution teams. During the maintenance stage, drones can be used to locate faults and ensure fast restoration of services, monitor maintenance and ensure progress of works. Now gentlemen, something about the challenges. Regulatory hurdles are there. For example, needs for sanction for flying in restricted areas, altitude is often restricted, price of drone, it varies with the model selected and often on the higher scale. However, a professional drone with the requirement of the MES can be costing around 1.5 lakhs. It needs utmost care and regular maintenance, requires skilled operators. Some of the future involvement of the drones in the construction and infrastructure building or the latest trends where these drones can be used. Drones are also developing to extinguish fire by using fireball droppers, with a robotic arm. With current capability, drones have affected construction in very big way, which is going to be more impactful in days to come. Some of the recommendations, gentlemen: every garrison engineer must have a drone so that it can be utilized for planning, execution and maintenance stay. E6 section can be trained in operating these drones. Those softwares which are easily available in the market, they can always learn the compatibility of with these softwares for the requirement on ground, and other training can be carried out like in the degree courses and diploma courses in the CME. Also short capsules can be carried out for the executives at JE, AG level and G level to how to pilot these drones. Software capable on drones mapping, survey, GIS, they also can be incorporated during this induction of drones in the MES. So thank you, gentlemen. I hope the short video on the use of drones for infrastructure building in defense forces will be useful. We must match up the pace with the industry outside as well as internationally. These norms and the safety and as well as the efficiency increased by using these kind of drones. Thank you.